She's old, she doesn't look good, but she keeps going. So this is my mower. It's a Gravely Promaster 300. It's got a 60-inch deck out there. Sits out in front of you, kind of old school. It is old. It's from 1994, if you can believe that. From 97. Ah, there it is, look at that. 1994, look at that. $6,355. I've owned her since about 2003. It has just over 1,000 hours. So in the machine world, still a baby, still young. Got a lot of life left to it. It puts in some nice stripes, does a nice job, nice clean mowing. As you can see, it's mowed a lot of grass. But one of the nice things about a mower like this with the deck that sits out in front of you is that you can get under things that you normally can't with today's zero turns. It's got a 20 horse Kohler Magnum motor, very reliable. Been a great motor to me, done a great job. It's held up well over the years. Burns a little oil, but all in all, it's been a good mower to me. It's big though. I mean, it's long. Tough to store it a little bit because of the size. But been a good machine. Looking forward to having her for many more years.